What's up, guys? I want to show you a very special game profile you can buy for Steam that will allow you to have a custom transparent Steam profile. Let me introduce you to the Dying Light 2 game profile. As far as I can tell, this is the only skin or profile rather that lets you have a transparent Steam account. Now, yeah, the volatile in the back and the revenant in the back might be annoying. You can actually get rid of those. You can change the background, but you can keep the transparent effects. So just keep in mind that if you do want to buy this transparency effect, this game profile is going to set you back 10,000 points, and it's also not refundable. But I think it's really cool. It's definitely the most unique one because it enables a transparency effect for your Steam profile. So yeah, grab this one if you got the 10k and you're looking for something unique, something to make your Steam account transparent. Yep. Alright guys, if this video was helpful, please give me a like. Thanks.